Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next topic is binomial quadratic surd. The product of conjugate pair of binomial surds is always a rational number. ध्यान दीजिए, conjugate pair का जो binomial surds होता है उनका product ये हमेशा एक rational number होता है. Now look here, for example, first square root of 5 minus square root of 3. तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 इसका कॉन्जुगेट पेयर होगा स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. ये दोनों का हम प्रोडक्ट लेके वी गेट हियर a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी विच इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर रूट 5 होल स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 3 होल स्क्वायर वी गेट 5 माइनस 3 विच इज इक्वल टू 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन 7 प्लस रूट 3 इंटू इसका कॉन्जुगेट पेयर लेंगे हम 7 माइनस रूट 3. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट. नाउ फाइंड आउट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू कॉन्जुगेट पेयर ऑफ बाइनोमियल सर्ड्स. वी गेट हियर ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर मीन्स 7 स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 3 होल स्क्वायर. 7 स्क्वायर मीन्स 49 माइनस रूट 3 होल स्क्वायर मीन्स 3 विच इज इक्वल टू 46. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज rationalization of the denominator. The product of conjugate binomial surds is always a rational number. By using this property, the rationalization of the denominator in the form of binomial surd can be done. For example, rationalize the denominator 1 upon root 5 minus 3. हमें numbers दिया गया है, इस number में जो denominator है उसे rationalize करना है. Now look here. Root 5 minus 3. Therefore, the conjugate pair of root 5 minus 3 is root 5 plus 3. Conjugate pair जहाँ पर माइनस का हम प्लस कर देते हैं और प्लस का माइनस कर देते हैं. Therefore, 1 upon root 5 minus 3 it can be written as 1 upon root 5 minus 3 into now multiplying and dividing the numerator as well as denominator by root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Now solve it. 1 into root 5 plus root 3 we get root 5 plus root 3. Now look here, it is a minus b and here a plus b. Therefore we get here a square minus b square. Therefore root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now we get 5 minus 3. Therefore 5 minus 3 which is equal to 2. Therefore the final answer is root 5 plus root 3 upon 2. Let us see how to solve practice set 2.4. First question, multiply. Write down the solution here. First one is multiplying by root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. Now before the bracket there is root 3. Therefore multiplying each and every terms inside the bracket by root 3. Okay. Now we get here root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3 which is equal to, now solve it. Here both the surds contain the same order. Therefore write down here 3 into 7 minus, now here also both the surds contain the same order. Therefore write down here 3 into 3. Therefore 3 into 7 21 minus 3 into 3 square root of 9. Now which is equal to, look here, square root of 21 minus, now square root of 9 means 3. Therefore write down here 3. Now second one. Second question is square root of 5 minus square root of 7 multiplying by root. Now look here. If there is any number before the bracket or after the bracket, then multiplying each and every terms by those number. अगर bracket के पहले या bracket के बाहर में कोई number होता है तो bracket के अंदर के तमाम terms को हम उस number से multiply करते हैं. Therefore multiplying here by root 2 we get root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into root 2. Now solve it. Now both the surds contain the same order, therefore we can write here square root of 5 into 2 minus here also both the sets contain the same order, therefore write down here 7 into 2. Now solve it. 5 into 2 10 minus square root of 7 into 2 14. Okay. Now next one, third question. 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Next bracket is 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Now solve it. In this question there are two brackets. So first multiplying second bracket by first and second bracket by second. Now look here. 3 root 2 multiplied by second bracket and minus root 3 into second bracket. Now write down terms of the second bracket. 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Here also 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Now look here. Now open the bracket. Multiplying each and every terms inside the bracket by 3 root 2. And here multiplying each and every brackets inside the bracket by minus root 3. Now open the bracket, we get here 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root 2. Now look here, minus sign, minus root 3 into 4 root 3. Now here minus into minus means negative into negative, we get positive. Root 3 into root 2. Now look here, we get here into, then minus, into, minus, into, plus, this one is into. Now we get here 4 terms. Now solve it. 3 into 4, write down here 3 into 4 into square root of 2 into square root of 3. Now here minus 3 is only, minus 3 into square root of 2 into square root of 2 minus here also 4 and square root of 3 into square root of 3 plus here square root of 3 into square root of 2. Now solve it. Look here, 3 into 4 12. Now both the surds contain the same order, therefore we can multiply it. 2 into 3 means 6 minus 3. Now square root of 2 into 2 4 minus 4 into 3 into 3 means square root of 9 plus here also the order is same, therefore 3 into 2 square root of 6. Now solve it here. 12 into square root of 6 minus 3. Look here, square root of 4 means 2 minus 4 into here also square root of 9 means 3 plus square root of 6. Now look here, 12 square root of 6 or here plus square root of 6. Now solve it. Minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12. Look here, 4 square root of 6 plus 1 square root of 6. Both are like surds, therefore we can add this number. 12 plus 1 13. Write down here 13 square root of 6. Now look here, minus 6 minus 12. Both are negative numbers. Simply add these numbers and take the negative sign. Now 6 plus 12 18 and the sign is negative. Therefore the answer is minus 18. After simplification of the two brackets, multiply the two brackets, we get here 13 square root of 6 minus 18. Next question is second, rationalize the denominator. यहाँ भी हमें जो डिनोमिनेटर दिया है उसे रैशनलाइज करना है. नाउ हियर बाइनोमियल सर्ट्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 1 अपॉन √7 प्लस √2. Now look here. Here it is binomial surd. Therefore डिनोमिनेटर को रैशनलाइज करने के लिए हम इसके कॉन्जुगेंट पेयर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, देयरफॉर द कॉन्जुगेंट पेयर ऑफ, राइट डाउन हियर, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7. नाउ प्लस का यहाँ हो जाएगा माइनस. देयरफॉर वी गेट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7 माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. देयरफॉर लुक हियर, द क्वेश्चन इज 1 अपॉन √7 प्लस √2. ओके, therefore multiplying numerator and the denominator by √7 minus √2. Therefore we get here 1 into √7 minus √2 upon, here we get √7 plus √2, first one, and it is also multiplying by √7 minus √2. Now solve it. 1 into √7 minus √2, we get √7 minus √2. Now look at the denominator. We get here a plus b into a minus b. Therefore we get a square minus b square. Now the value of a is √7. Therefore write down here √7 whole square minus here √2 whole square. Now solve it. √7 minus √2 upon, now √7 whole square means 7 minus √2 whole square means 2. Okay, therefore we get here √7 minus √2 upon, now 7 minus 2 which is equal to 5. Now second question is 3 upon 2√5 minus 3√2. Now our aim is to rationalize the denominator. Now look here, denominator here is 2√5 minus 3√2. Now the conjugate pair of it is 2√5 plus 3√2. Therefore write down here the conjugate pair of 2√5 minus 3√2 is 2√5 plus 3√2. Okay, now solve it. Multiplying numerator as well as denominator by 2√5 plus 3√2. Therefore we get here, write down here, 3 upon 2√5 minus 3√2, which is equal to 3 into 2√5 plus 3√2. 3 upon 2√5 minus 3√2. Now multiplying by 2√5 plus 3√2 upon 2√5 plus 3√2. Now look here, write down here 3 into 2√5 plus 3√2 upon, now look here, it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. Therefore we can write here a square minus b square. Therefore 2√5 whole square minus 3√2 whole square. Okay, now write down here 3 into 2 square root of 5 plus 3 into square root of 2 divided by, now solve it, 2 into square root of 5 whole square, we get 2 square into √5 whole square, 2 square and √5 square, minus here also 3 into root 2 square, we get 3 square into root 2 square. Okay, now which is equal to 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Write down the numerator as it. Now 2 square means 4. Look here. Square root of 5 whole square. Here square and square root both are cancelled. We get 5. Therefore 4 into 5 minus 3 square means 9. Here also square root of 2 square. Now 2 and square root both are cancelled. We get only 2. Okay. Therefore write down the numerator as it is, plus 3 root 2 divided by solid. 4 5s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18, which is equal to 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 20 minus 18, we get here 2. Now third question. 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Now the conjugate pair is, write down, pair of 7 plus 4 root 3 is, look here, 7 plus 4 root 3. Therefore conjugate pair is 7 minus 4 root 3. Therefore 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Now multiplying the numerator as well as denominator by 7 minus 4 root 3. Therefore write down here 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. It is multiplying by 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. Now solid. Multiplying the numerator 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay. And denominator is 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Now solid. Write down the numerator as it is. Therefore we get here 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon. Now look here. It is in the form of a plus b, here also a minus b. Okay. Now by using the identity a plus b into a minus b, we get a square minus b square. Therefore write down here 7 square minus 4 into root 3 square. Look here. 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 square 49 minus, now look here, 4 into root 3 whole square. Therefore 4 square into root 3 square, which is equal to 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 49 minus 4 square means 16 into root 3 square means 3. Okay. Which is equal to 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 49 minus 16 3s are 48. Now write down the answer here. 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 1. Okay, now next question is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Look here. The conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. Write down here. The conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. Therefore, multiplying the numerator as well as denominator by root 5 minus 3, Therefore, write down here root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. Now solve it. A minus b, here a minus b means a minus b whole square. Write down here root 5 minus root 3 whole square upon. Now it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, write down here root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now solve it. Root 5 minus root 3 whole square upon root 5 whole square means 5 minus root 3 whole square means 3. Therefore, write down the answer here. Write down the numerator as it is. Root 5 minus root 3 whole square divided by 5 minus 3 means 2. Okay. Allah Hafiz.